Tired of appointment scheduling chaos? Let's ditch the sticky notes and dive into Setmore, the appointment scheduling software designed to streamline your business and keep you organized. First, let's navigate to the Setmore website and sign up for a free account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, your central hub for managing everything. Click on the Calendar tab to view your availability and start scheduling. To add an appointment, simply click on an open time slot. A window will pop up where you can input customer details, select the service they're booking, assign a staff member, and add any notes. Click Save, and boom, the appointment is scheduled. Now, let's head over to the Customers tab. Here, you can add new clients manually or import your existing customer list. Each customer profile stores their contact information, appointment history, and any relevant notes, making it easy to personalize their experience. Time to set up integrations. Click on the Settings tab, then navigate to Integrations. Setmore seamlessly integrates with popular platforms like Google Calendar, Zoom for virtual meetings, and Teleport for accepting payments. Connecting these will automate your workflow. One more crucial step: customizing your booking page. In Settings, find Booking Page. Customize the URL. Add your logo and company description to match your branding. Sharing this link will allow customers to book appointments directly, around the clock, without you lifting a finger. And that's a quick overview of Setmore. It's packed with features to help you streamline your booking process, manage your clients effectively, and ultimately, reclaim your time. Explore the platform, experiment with its capabilities, and watch your business flourish.